So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make sure that your iPhone's hotspot will not turn off automatically if someone's connected. Now in order to do it, first of all make sure that other person that uses your hotspot, just using or hotspot Wi-Fi, stay connected, because if he or she will disconnect your Wi-Fi and your hotspot will remain idle for about 1 to 2 minutes, it will automatically turn off to save the battery. Now another thing you can do is, if still issues persist even after connecting to your Wi-Fi, just simply reset your network settings, because you have made some changes that are allowing this things to happen. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings, go to general, scroll down, go to this option of transfer or reset iPhone, hit this option of reset and click on this option of reset network settings. Once you do that, it will take some time, ask you your screen password, and definitely will help you solving your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.